So are you looking to become a drone pilot, or you've just taken an interest in drones? Well, come with me, I'll show you where to begin. There are a bunch of different types of drones that you can use, but really, I break it down into two. You have your cinematic drones, which are going to be a lot of the drones from DJI, where they will assist you in your flying. They have obstacle avoidance and really are quite fun to fly, and you can get some great shots without knowing very much. And then on the other hand, there's FPV drones. Now, FPV drones are in a league of their own. They're bare-boned and very acrobatic. It takes a keen eye and also a steady hand to fly. FPV drones are also highly customizable. Mine is a 3.5 inch, which is the size of your props. In order to fly FPV, you need a controller, your drone, sometimes a camera if you want to get the cinematic shots, and also goggles, which is different than your DJI drones. Now, drones like the DJI one over here is a lot simpler. You only have the remote, your phone connected to it, or some of the remotes have a screen built in, as well as your drone, and a detachable battery, so then you can always replace and keep flying. Now, when it comes to making your selection of which drone you want to fly or which system you want to use, you gotta use some caution. I would recommend the DJI systems to any beginner. They have obstacle avoidance all over the drone, as well as they're pretty portable. You can fold them up and they fit in the palm of your hand when they're all folded up. Now let me show you what these two drones are capable of. I was building on a lecture, verses coming daily under pressure. Working on the plot and the scheme, the true style trademark is at the edge of your dreams. I'm talking one shot for the kill, the breeze come freeze up, straight dropping the chills. I'm talking taking over pieces and shares of all big sky high, check the movement is here. Both of these drones have a time and place. That's close quarter flying and getting up close and kind of taking a risk to get the shot, or flying far away and being able to showcase the beauty that's to be found. I use my Mavic Air 2S for dang near everything, but there's some times that I need to use my FPV drone. Most FPV drones are custom built. There are smaller ones like this, and there's larger ones that can hold cinema-grade cameras. I'm still learning, so I crash quite a bit, so the smaller guy helps me out a ton. So if you're gonna get a drone, let me know what you're gonna get. Whether that's an FPV, a Mavic, or any other drone, I'd love to know. Later.